Boaters in Plymouth and Maple Grove will soon have a new weapon to fight aquatic invasive species. Reporter Meredith Hackler explains what's coming to Parkers Lake and Weaver Lake.
Life on the lake is something most of us love, but when it comes time to bring the boat in, we often don't think about the invasive species we might be bringing back with us.
You never know what an invasive species is going to do to a water body till it's in there. And our goal is just to prevent the spread, or at least slow it down long enough for science to catch up for management of the species.
With invasive species becoming more of a problem, the Hennepin County Environment and Energy Department started installing boat cleaning stations near boat access points.
It's to empower people, to give them the tools to do what's right. And in this case, when it comes to aquatic invasive species, you're just trying to not transfer water and not transfer plants.
Officials say boaters are catching on. At Lake Minnetonka alone, the stations have been used more than 5,000 times.
It's just been wonderful to see the behavior changes from just even 10 years ago.
Now, Parkers Lake in Plymouth and Weaver Lake in Maple Grove will be getting boat cleaning stations so they too can do their part to help stop the spread of invasive species.
The system that I'm setting up we'll help purchase, we'll help install. The city or whoever owns the access will own the unit, and then we're going to have the Lake Association members help just keep eyes on it, make sure it's working correctly, make sure there's no vandalism, and just so that it's always productive.
Which environmentalists like Tony say is key to keeping lakes healthy across the state.
And I think as we get into more generations, all these steps are going to be just second nature for people if we stay on top of this and we create these.
Meredith Hackler, CCX News.
The boat cleaning station at Parkers Lake is set to be installed next week, while the station in Weaver Lake will be installed in 2 weeks.